Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, and I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Kryptex. So Kryptex is basically a mining platform that will allow the users to earn passive income by providing them with the processing speed or processing power of their computer. So Kryptex mines cryptocurrency and pays you bitcoins or real world money, be it dollars or any other currency. So you can download in your computer and start with their plan. So now here's a quick question. So how much a person can actually earn? So if you have a gaming PC, you can earn approximately $100 per month, and if you have a mining rig installed on it, you can earn up to $350 per month. And if you have a complete mining farm, you can even earn 2 lakh plus dollars per month. So it basically depends on your system how much processing powers you're able to provide them with. So now let's deep dive and look the reviews of the people. So Kryptex has basically 4.3 reviews stars out of 5 stars on the Trustpilot website, and it is based on 346 reviews. And you can see like the most of the people are actually satisfied by using and utilizing this platform. So in conclusion, I would say you should give it a shot by starting with the basic plan of just a gaming PC maybe, and if it works for you, then you can go for the advanced ones. So I hope this review was helpful for you, and if you guys want me to review any other product, just do let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.